I love building things. Props, contraptions, furniture. The process is what excites me. Web design used to be a slow, hands-on craft. Weeks or months of sketching, coding, and tweaking. You had to be a designer, coder, and project manager all at once. The journey from idea to website was long and full of hurdles. But what if you could shrink that timeline from months to minutes? Sounds like science fiction, right? It's not. Thanks to artificial intelligence, it's happening right now. AI is to web design what power tools are to carpentry, a force multiplier. It's not replacing creators, but giving them superpowers. Now, building a website isn't a massive barrier. You don't need to learn every technical skill or hire a big team. AI is democratizing creation, putting the power to build in anyone's hands. This shift is a revolution, making the process faster and more accessible. Tedious tasks like searching for fonts or colors, automated. That means more time for what matters. Your big idea, your story, your solution. AI is the ultimate assistant, ready to help you build. The creative process is changing. Months of work, now, in minutes. Welcome to the new era of web design. Let's rewind to the old days of web design. The process started with endless meetings and hand-drawn wireframes. Every change meant starting over, tweaking layouts, moving buttons, revising again and again. After approval, designers created full-color mock-ups, only to repeat the feedback loop. Make the logo bigger. Try a different blue. Every tweak took time. Then developers translated static images into code. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, line by line. The final site rarely matched the mock-up, leading to more revisions and bug fixes. It was a slow, expensive relay race, full of friction and delays. A simple site could take months, a complex one, a year or more. Collaboration was tough, and manual labor dominated the process. Creativity often took a back seat to managing endless details. The workflow was rigid, inefficient, and ripe for disruption. So much time was spent on repetitive work, not on innovation. The old system needed a shakeup. Enter AI. Today, AI has flipped web design on its head. It's not just a tool, it's a whole toolbox of smart assistants. Imagine having a designer, copywriter, and coder on call 24/7. That's AI. Generative AI can create entire website concepts from a simple prompt. It writes headlines, suggests colors, and generates images in seconds. AI analyzes user data to see what works, guiding design decisions with real evidence. No more guessing, just data-driven improvements. AI bridges the gap between design and development, turning sketches into code automatically. The result? Faster, more efficient, and more collaborative workflows. Designers focus on strategy and innovation, not grunt work. It's a new world for creators. How does AI help? Let's break it down. Content creation. AI writes headlines, product descriptions, and blog posts in seconds. Need SEO? AI suggests keywords too. Visuals. AI generates unique images from text prompts. No more endless stock photo searches. It edits photos, enhances colors, and removes backgrounds with a click. Colors and fonts. AI analyzes your brand and creates harmonious palettes and font pairings. No more guesswork, just professional, cohesive design. Layouts and UX. AI-powered platforms generate dozens of layout options instantly. They use data from millions of sites to arrange elements for maximum impact. The result? Websites that are beautiful, effective, and user-friendly. AI handles the technicalities so you can focus on creativity. This is data-driven design at its best. The real magic is seeing AI in action. Platforms like Wix ADI build custom websites in minutes. Just answer a few questions. Framer generates responsive web pages from a single text prompt, perfect for rapid iteration. Durable targets small businesses, creating a site, copy, and images in 30 seconds. Plus, business tools like CRM and invoicing. These platforms streamline not just design, but the entire online business process. Tools like Midjourney create custom images. ChatGPT writes the text. Specialized AI handles logos, SEO, and more. The workflow is now integrated. Design, content, and development happen together. AI isn't just speeding up the old process, it's inventing a new one. It's a whole new way to build. With great power comes responsibility. Over-reliance on AI risks a bland, generic web, everyone using the same templates. True creativity can get lost if we let machines do all the thinking. AI isn't perfect. Images can have weird glitches, text can sound robotic, code can be buggy. Human review is essential for quality. Bias is another issue. AI can perpetuate stereotypes from its training data. We must actively guard against this. Legal and ethical questions remain, especially around copyright and ownership. Using AI-generated content without understanding the risks can cause trouble. As creators, we need to be informed and cautious. AI is powerful, but it demands respect and oversight. It's not a shortcut for critical thinking. Use it wisely. Are human designers obsolete? Absolutely not. AI handles the how, but humans bring the why, the vision, the story, the emotion. That's our domain. AI is the world's best apprentice, but it can't create a masterpiece on its own. Great websites are experiences, not just pixels. The best designers will be creative directors, strategists, and storytellers. Their value is in guiding AI, curating its output, and adding the human touch. The focus is shifting from manual labor to creative direction. AI frees us to innovate, brainstorm, and experiment. The future is man and machine, together. Where is this all heading? Towards smarter, more adaptive web experiences. Imagine sites that change layout and content in real time for each visitor. AI will automate A/B testing, constantly improving sites without human intervention. Soon you'll design by simply talking to AI. Make the header bigger, add a gallery, and it happens instantly. The barrier between idea and execution will vanish. Over 60% of design pros already use AI. That number is growing. Websites will become living, learning entities. They'll anticipate user needs and evolve constantly. The future isn't just faster, it's smarter. Get ready for intelligent, ever-evolving web design. The big takeaway? AI is not the enemy. It's your creative partner. It's a tool, a co-pilot, an assistant that handles the boring stuff so you can focus on ideas. Like the power saw or word processor, AI augments our abilities and opens new possibilities. The key is to work with it, not against it. Dive in, experiment, and learn its strengths and weaknesses. The most successful creators will guide AI, using it to amplify their unique voice. Don't let the machine drive. Stay in control. Great design is about connecting with people, telling stories, and solving problems. AI builds the stage, but you're the director. Embrace your new co-pilot and let it handle the technicalities. Get back to dreaming up what to build next. The future is unwritten, and it's yours to create. Let's make something amazing.